Ahoy, Všichni! We are about to take a nature hike. Jedeme! An American living in Czechia. Checking with Katrina. We are on a nature hike near Hluboka nad Vltavou. And this is actually a bike trail that we're on right now, but we're gonna go off of this bike trail into a path in the woods. And then at the end of that, we'll have a beautiful view. Looks like a dead end, but I guess we go this way. That's not even really a trail.
There is bugs in there. Oh my gosh, wait a minute.
There's bugs in all of the outdoors. You know the trail because there's markings. So you just keep watching the markings. During our hike, we stopped to look at a family of deer. They were huddled together and we did our best to make them scatter.
Hey dear.
However, without much success. As we were leaving, we must have spooked them because they scattered into the woods and I managed to catch the last bit of it on camera. That is where we're going. And we found a little friend on the trail. Hi there, little guy. Hey, no, don't play, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh, it went back inside because the dog scared him when he went inside. We're moving him so he doesn't get stepped on. There you go, little guy. I have never seen an anthill in my life except those little tiny sand ones we have in Michigan. Looks like the trail ends, but it doesn't. It just gets really narrow. Crushed what?
Little guy.
Another snail?
Yeah, she stepped right on it.
Aww. Ava the murderer.
Yeah.
We're not there yet, but we're definitely much higher than we were. Okay, kind of stuck. We don't know where to go, but we're gonna go down and see if that's the way. Yeah, it looks like it's the way. I'm thinking. And there's the rock we're gonna climb up. Good enough. And there we go. Beautiful view. Definitely worth the hike. According to my Apple Watch, it was 2.5 miles, and it took us 80 minutes to get here. And here we are, sitting on the top, eating a plum. We also have some trail mix and some water. We're just gonna sit here and relax, enjoy the view, then head back down. And we found another little friend that Ava almost killed. She kicked it over.
I should have killed it.
But I saved it.
Yeah, I tripped over it. That thing's humongous.
Send it to the woods so we can save its life.
So it can bite something and infect it with poison?
There you go. All saved, all rescued, as Sophie would say. If you liked that video, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and check out these videos as well.